If your Sony Bravia Smart TV automatically turning on and off by itself, then don't be panicked. Through this entire video, I'm going to show you 3 different easy ways to fix your problem. So let's begin. Well, so to do that, you just go ahead and grab your remote. And now the first thing you have to do is just check out your settings. So go all the way to the top from here and then go to the right side. Once you get the settings option, press OK from here and then go to the system settings and then go down to the clock and timers. And you'll get the second option, on timer. Once this option is selected, you need to press OK. And if you see the on timer is turned on, you need to turn this option off. So I'm just going to press OK from here and then select off and then press OK once again. Once you're done with this one, get back from here and then come to the last one. And if you see that sleep timer is turned on, you need to turn this option off as well. After doing this one, you just go ahead and check your issue. Hope this will fix your problem. But if not, follow the next process. I'm just going to get back to my home page and navigate to the settings once again. Now this time, go down to the external inputs and then press OK and go down to the Bravia sync settings. And if you see the Bravia sync control is turned on, you need to turn this option off. So I'm just going to press OK and selecting off and then press OK once again. And once you get that one, go ahead and check your issue once again. And hopefully this will resolve your problem. But if any case, if you see that you are still having the same problem, then this is the time to do a factory reset on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. But make sure doing the factory reset will erase all the information that you have included to your TV. So now to do that, you need to navigate to the settings once again and then go to the system settings, go down to the general setup, and under the general setup, go all the way down from here and you'll get the factory settings. Press OK and just go ahead and select yes and then press OK. Select yes again and then press OK. So it will take a little time, so just be patient until this process is being completed. Once you're done with this process, you need to set up your TV once again. After doing all the processes, I hope that your problem is going to be solved. If you find this video helpful, if you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.